Hi children, now up to now we completed worksheet 9. So now we are going to discuss class 5 English worksheet number 10. So this is bridging gap activity. Here this is a picture we have. Just observe the picture. So what do you observe in the picture? Who are the people are there? So how many children are there in the picture? What are they doing? Are they playing? Are they chit-chatting? Are they talking with other? So like this, they are playing so many games here. They are playing. See, one girl is skipping. One more boy is jumping. So like that, they are doing some works. See, 3 women are there. Like this is a picture. Just observe what are the things are there. I think you observe compared to me more. You can observe more things, more actions you can observe because you are the child. You can observe more things here. See, we have write the words related to games. See what are the games here. See here. See here they are playing marbles. They are playing marbles. So we can write here marbles. Next, see the girl is skipping with the thread. Skipping. The girl is skipping. See one more time is top. Is playing with top. Playing with the top ante bongaram. See William, what are they doing? Tokkudu billa. So here directly Tokkudu billa. Next, relevant to see one boy is jumping. Next, what is there in the picture? Say some more games. What's related to games? So what's related to games? What are they here? Running. Like this, I written here 1, 2, 3, 6 words. You can write by using this picture 3 or 4 more. So this is the first bit. Now we are going to second bit. See, fill in the blanks using the same letter twice. See here, trees. See, I used E twice. I used 2 times here. I used E with 2 times. So the word is trees. Skipping. CPP. Skipping. Street. Street. Small. See, summer. See the heading, fill in the blanks using the same letter twice. Using the same letter twice. I used the same letter M twice. Like that. Sorry. Sorry. Ribbons. Ribbons. Happy. Here we can write what we can write here. BUSS. Same. Bull. BULL. Next, street already is here. Street, next, I think here street only, this one. See, like this. See, trees, skipping, street, small, summer, sorry, ribbons, happy, bull, street. These are the I used same letter twice. Next, this is the third bit in worksheet number 10. Now change the order of the given words, make meaningful sentences. See, here we have 5 words are there, but it is not meaningful sentence. So I think you know this one easy. First one, girl. See, first word is, second girl, third skipping. So right sentence is girl is skipping. Girl is skipping. Next, boys stop playing or with a. So here write first, boys are playing with top. Playing with a top. Next, marbles children 4 are playing. See, 4 children are playing marbles. Like that, mother playing little girl is with. So little girl is playing with a mother. Next, 2 speaking girls are to each other. So write here, 2 girls are speaking with. So speaking with is not there. Speaking to each other. So this is the third bit we completed. Girl is skipping, boys are playing with a top, 4 children are playing marbles, little girl is playing with a mother, 2 girls are speaking to each other. Thank you. We finished now worksheet number 10 also.